You're doing everything right. You've swapped soda for water, chips for almonds, and your daily meals look like they came from a nutritionist's Instagram page. But the scale isn't moving, and the frustration is real. If this sounds like you, you're not alone, and it's not your fault. The truth is, eating healthy doesn't always equal weight loss. And today, we're uncovering the hidden reasons why your clean eating habits aren't delivering results, and what you can do about it. Let's start with a simple truth. Healthy foods can still be calorie-dense. Avocados, nuts, olive oil, smoothies, whole grain toast with almond butter, they're all nutritious, but they're also packed with calories. For example, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter under 100 calories. 1 avocado, hours, 250 calories. A clean smoothie, 300-600 plus calories. If you're eating multiple small meals and snacks throughout the day, even healthy ones, you may unintentionally be eating in a calorie surplus, and weight loss only happens in a calorie deficit. Healthy food doesn't give you a free pass to eat unlimited amounts. It's easy to overeat when you're thinking, it's healthy, so I can have more. But even healthy carbs like quinoa, oats, and sweet potatoes can spike your insulin and lead to fat storage if consumed in excess. Use smaller plates, track your portions, and focus on satiety, not fullness. Many products labeled natural, organic, or gluten-free are still loaded with sugar. Granola bars, fruit yogurts, protein shakes, nut butters, and even some healthy cereals can contain 10 to 20 grams of sugar per serving, and excess sugar is stored as body fat, especially around the belly. Tip: always read labels. Don't let marketing fool you. You could be eating the right foods but not absorbing nutrients properly. If your gut microbiome is out of balance, it can lead to bloating, inflammation, and even weight gain. A damaged gut can increase cravings, trigger insulin resistance, slow down metabolism. Start by eating more fermented foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, kimchi, prebiotic fibers, and reducing artificial sweeteners that disrupt gut bacteria. You might be eating clean, but if you're constantly stressed, your body is producing cortisol, a hormone linked to belly fat storage. High cortisol increases cravings for salty and sugary foods, slows down fat metabolism, promotes fat retention, especially around the waist. Even a perfect diet won't offset a body stuck in fight-or-flight mode. Incorporate stress-reducing habits like walking outdoors, deep breathing, limiting caffeine, getting enough sleep. You can't out-eat or out-train bad sleep. Lack of rest disrupts hunger hormones like ghrelin and leptin, increasing cravings and appetite. Sleep also plays a crucial role in recovery, hormone balance, fat burning. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep in a cool, dark room. If your goal is fat loss, muscle is your best friend. Muscle tissue burns more calories at rest. If you're just focusing on cardio and skipping strength training, you're missing out on a major fat-burning advantage. Add resistance training 2 to 4 times a week to boost metabolism, preserve lean mass, improve insulin sensitivity. Your body has a comfort zone weight it tries to maintain. If you've been at a higher weight for years, your metabolism may resist change to protect that set point. The fix? Be consistent. Small, sustained changes over time can reprogram your set point, but it requires patience. It's easy to graze on trail mix, hummus, fruit, or clean snacks throughout the day without realizing how much you're actually consuming. Mindful eating helps you. Recognize true hunger. Avoid unnecessary calories. Tune into fullness cues. Try keeping snacks off your desk or counter and sticking to intentional meal times. Track what you eat, not obsessively, but with awareness. Focus on portion control, not just food quality. Prioritize sleep, stress reduction, and movement. Rebuild your gut health with better food and fewer irritants. Be consistent. Sustainable change beats short-term perfection. Eating healthy is a powerful foundation, but weight loss is more than kale and quinoa. It's about the big picture: metabolism, hormones, habits, sleep, stress, and gut health. If you're feeling stuck, you're not failing, you're just missing one piece of the puzzle. And now that you've got the full picture, it's time to make those small changes that lead to big results. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to The Healthy Hive for more science-backed health insights, and share this with someone who's doing everything right but still stuck. See you in the next one.